Today I'm going to change out the teeth on this excavator bucket. This is a Kubota KX040-4. This is a 3-foot bucket I have for it. And I've got these, it's a 156L tooth that it requires. You can see that they're pretty worn out. So we'll get these old ones off and put the new ones on. Show you how to do that. So the way these work is they have these little nubs that are welded onto the bucket. These are the sacrificial teeth. So as they wear up, you can just take them off. They're held in by these pins. And this pin's actually a little damaged. And this one's actually broke off, where I'm going to have to probably try to pound it out from the bottom side to get it out of there. But basically the premise is you pound out the pin and you pull the tooth off and you put the new tooth on, put the new pin in, and you're done. So anyway, we'll get the last few of these off and start finishing up. So on a couple of these pins, they're broken on the bottom side, and so as I was pounding it out, it's all wedged up in there. So I'm hoping I can pound it from this side and pull it out. I guess this one was the same way. Well, there we have it. New teeth on the bucket. And I'm going to also keep a spare tooth in the machine here. There's a toolbox. I'm going to set it down in here. That way, if one never falls off, I can put a new one back on. The same concept for a skid loader bucket as well. I've got a smooth bucket inside of my tooth bucket at the moment, but you can see down here that tooth, this slides on the same way, and it has a pin in there. So if you ever need to replace these, it's basically the same method. They might even be the same tooth, I'm not sure. It'd be close. But anyhow, that's how you change the teeth on a bucket.